right? And now we can open it, unlock by pressing. Very good reader, right? And we touch it to lock. Now we use the user pin code. Try another finger. Good. We can also use the master pin code to unlock. Also, we can use the mobile app and open, unlock, or lock it from anywhere in the world with the internet connection. We use the smart door lock application. Here I have two devices that use the A30 here. Control, press and hold it to unlock. Yep. We have to unlock right. Now we can press and hold to lock it. Press and hold it to unlock. Good.